Hello! Welcome again to my YouTube channel and my Patreon. I saw this appear on my YouTube feed and I was like, to be honest, I thought it was someone else, but then it's actually a cover of Billie Eilish's Birds of a Feather by Seungmin of Stray Kids. So I'm not surprised that he did a cover, because a lot of people do covers anyway, it's normal. So yeah, I'm gonna check it out and yeah.
You to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going to, 'cause it was always you. Turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Till the day that I die. I want you to see.
I like that he is not exactly like copying the actual song or tone of Billie. He's trying to make it his own, so that's kind of makes this unique.
How you look to me, oh, you wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw you, but you're so full of it. Oh, tell me it's a bit. Oh, say you don't see it, your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit, don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might I
So good. So that was Birds of a Feather by Seungmin, cover done by Seungmin, and the original song is by Billie Eilish. I see that it says episode 9 on here, and I'm like thinking, huh? Episode 9. So, oh, do they just do covers then for these episodes? I need to research more about this, but yeah, that was so good. And that high note, wow, those high notes. To be honest, I'm not surprised because I've heard his solos already, like a few of them, so I know he has a good voice and he has pretty high falsettos. So wow, I just like I said in the beginning, I like how he made it his version. He didn't really copy the exact song or exact tune, but yeah, I like how he added his own thing, his own twist. So yeah, that was my reaction to Seungmin of Stray Kids covering Billie Eilish's Birds of a Feather. Absolutely love the original as well. But yeah, so that caught my eye and I had to react to it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for watching my reaction. And please check out my socials in the description below. As usual, my Etsy shop and my Patreon channel. This video will be uploaded on Patreon 2 to 3 days before being uploaded on YouTube. And it'll be fully uncut and fully unedited. So yeah, check it out. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!